Hi everyone, my name is Mavis Yao. I'm here today to tell you a little bit more about how to list your home with the most attraction to all the audience out there. So one of the first things you probably want to do is hire a professional photographer, because I'm not sure if you've seen any of the photos on multiple listings, but some of them looks really dark and the home looks kind of dirty, so most people don't find it very welcoming, which is why I think having a professional photographer will make your home look at the best lighting. Now, second thing I would recommend is actually capture your home or your listing in an evening shot. Now, typically, people like to include day shot only, but I highly suggest include evening shot because it makes the home look more homey, cozier, and more luxurious. Just to give you an example, here's a home photo of a home during the day, and here is a shot of the home during night. And do you see the difference? Now, the third thing I would recommend is definitely have a drone video. Now that does require licensing and does require a drone, but if you hire a professional photographer or a listing agent who already have those equipment, that comes in a package. So having a drone video definitely makes the video a lot more attractive to your audience, and it will make your listing pop out or differentiate your listing from all the listing out there. And this is crucial right now, especially given the marketplace where we're seeing a little bit more price reduction, we're seeing a little bit more inventory, so everyone's kind of competing the same eyeball for the same neighborhood. So standing out or having your photo or video shoot stand out from all the other homes out there is essential in commanding the highest price for your listing. If you'd like to find out more information about how to list your home with the most beautiful, aesthetic looking photo and video that fully captures your home, please click on the link below, which will showcase a little bit more detail about how to package your home, including staging your home, so that you can get the best pricing or the highest pricing for your home, which is what you deserve. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment or call me directly. My information is on my website, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you!